Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this code verification code is invalid. So the very first thing that you need to do when you get this type of error is if you wait too long before entering the code, it becomes invalid. So always enter the code immediately after receiving it. If needed, you can request a new code and you can use it right away. This alone is going to fix the problem for many users. Now, if the issue still persists, you can just simply avoid using the old codes. This code is going to send you a new code every single time you press the resend button. The older codes stop working instantly. So make sure that you are entering the latest code and not a previous one. This is one of the biggest causes of this type of error. Now, sometimes the incorrect device time can also break the verification. So you need to open the settings of your device. In the settings, you just have to use the search bar on the top. In the search bar, simply search for date and time. So here, you just have to make sure that you have set the date and the time to automatically, because Discord security system rely heavily on the accurate timing. So make sure that you do this. Now, sometimes the temporary session glitches can cause this type of problem. So you can close the Discord application or the browser in which you are using discord.com completely. Then you just have to reopen it. So this is going to basically refresh the app, and then you can just simply try again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.